Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove Gmail phone number. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and open Gmail. Look at the right corner, tap on the profile icon, click on manage your Google account, go to personal information, select the phone number, click on, and finally click on to delete icon. You need to first verify you, enter your password, tap on to next, and then finally click on remove number, then successfully remove this phone number. So that's all you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.